Surface areas and volumes. A. Surface areas and volumes. We are starting. Question number 4th one. Surface areas and volumes. Question number 4th one. Easy question only. Question number 4th one. Two cubes, each volume 64 centimeters cube, are joined to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. We are starting with the easy question. This is the level 1, level 2, another one is there. Around 20-25 questions will be there. A. When we are joining two cube end to end, I told you clearly, when we are joining two cube end to end, what only change? Length will be doubled, but height and breadth, nothing will happen. I told you by joining the cable and all, is it? So when you are joining two table, you just think about the practically. When you are joining two table end to end, only length will be doubled, and height and breadth, nothing will happen. If you have doubts, this table you can join end to end. Length will be doubled, but the breadth and the height, nothing will happen. Is it? Right on? Given that, 4th question. Volume of the cube equal to 64 centimeter cube. Or you can write A cube equal to 64. Volume of the cube is given 64. Some people didn't write the exam and they didn't inform me also. Given that A cube equal to 64. A cube equal to 64. So what is A? A equal to? Who told 8? Who told 8? Huh? Cube root of 64 is equal to what? 4. Volume of the resulting cuboid. Mustafa, if you are not practicing, don't sit in my class. If you are not practicing properly, don't sit in my class. Okay? It is not a joke. Right on? Volume. What they are asking, surface area or volume? Surface area of resulting cuboid. Surface area of the resulting cuboid. Surface area of the resulting cuboid. Surface area of the resulting cuboid. 2 into. What is the cuboid surface area? LB plus LH plus BH. Length, I told you, length will be doubled. Already 4 is there, so length will be how much? 8. I told you breadth and height, nothing will happen. It is 4 centimeter only. Why 4 centimeter? It is a cube. It is a cube. All sides are what? Equal. It is a cube. All sides are equal. When we are joining end to side means 4. When we are joining end to end, every length will be doubled. So 4 plus 4, 8 will come. Substitute everything. No need to wait for me. 2 times 8 into 4 plus, again 8 into 4 plus, 4 into 4, 32 plus 16, 2 into 80, how much? 160 centimeters square. 160 centimeters square. I started with an easy question. 160 centimeters square. Sometimes they'll ask you a sub question or additional question. Volume of the resulting cuboid. How you can find a volume? It is very simple only. Because you joined the two cube what end to end. What is this volume? 64. What is this volume? So what is the resultant volume? 120. Just add it. You write as volume of the resultant cuboid. 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 64 plus 64, 128. Because volume, nothing will happen. You just think about the volume, anything will happen or not. You 2 people are going or 2 table are going, volume will be same only. Area will change. Because when we are joining this table and this table end to end, this side will be what? Covered. That area will be reduced. Next question. Next question. Read it. Question number 6th one. Question number 6th one. Initially discussing easy question because this is the level 1. That's why. Read the question, everyone. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. Case study, even last year also asked a case study. Conical top. This is a conical top. This is the tent form. Draw the diagram. Height and diameter of the cylindrical part is given. Height is given. If they are telling surface area, only if they are telling you have to find a total surface area. If they mentioned surface area, means that is total surface area. Only surface area if they are asking total surface area. Otherwise, what they are telling that you can use. Height is 2.1 meter and diameter 4 meter. And the conical part slant height is given 2.8 meter. Slant height given, so slant height directly given, so it is advantage is there. Directly we can solve it. They are asking cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Madam, I told you area of the canvas when we are using, try to understand we are covering the surrounding area, curved surface area of the cylinder and the curved surface area of the cone. Base will not use. Base means what? We will not use the carpet. Covering material will not use for the base. Some other material, soft material will use. Is it? Madam? Right on. All of you do the diagram. Area of the canvas required for the tent. 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 What is cylinder area? What is cylinder area? Curved surface area. What is the curved surface area of the cylinder? 2 pi r h. And the concurved surface area is what? Pi r l. Radius is same only. That's why I use the same r. 2 pi r h is the curved surface area of the cylinder. 8th standard onwards you are learning that one. And pi r l last year you learned curved surface area of the cone. Radius, don't get confused. 4 by 2, 2 centimeter. Height of the cylinder 2.1 meter. If you want, you can write 21 by 10. It is everything is meter only. And slant height 2.8 meter. You can write 28 by 10 meter. Before that, can you see anything common to take it out? Pi r I took it outside. 2h plus L. So 22 by 7 into radius 2, 2h, 2 into 21 by 10 plus 28 by 10. Don't make a mistake. Everything try to understand, then write. 42 plus 28 by 10 because LCM 2 into 21 is what? Another cancellation. Already students know. In statistics made a mistake. Example I am telling. 5 minus x plus 4 by 20. You are not allowed to cancel this and this. Try to understand that one. What to cancel you have to think. Simply don't miss this 5-mark questions and all. What to cancel? What some people cumulative frequency preceding the class, the same frequency wrote. So 22 into 2 by 7, 70 by 10, 70 and 7 cancelled. Even 10 also cancelled. So how much will be there only? 44 meters square. Because this 0 and this 0 cancel. 7 also cancel. Only 44 meters square. Therefore, cost of the canvas. Tomorrow's revision. Let me see. Today this will finish. Tomorrow AP nth term related questions will come. 5:45 onward. Those who want can attend. Nth term related. Saturday morning, Birla having school? Okay, morning and evening both the session will cancel. If anybody want to practice, just inform and come. Practicing, you are most welcome. Because evening, Pearl starting now, next day. So try to attend tomorrow. AP will come, nth term. Areas related to circle, level 1 also will add sometimes. Therefore, cost of the canvas at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Sometimes the question will come 500 per 100 meter square also. 500 per meter square, no problem. 500 per 100 meter square, when they are telling you just write by 100 also you're right. Anyway, questions will come, don't worry. Level 2 when I'm adding, it will be there. Cost of the canvas at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. 44 into 500. How much rupees? Rupees 22,000. Rupees 22,000. Next question. First one. Question number first one. Due to heavy flood in a state, 1,000 were rendered homeless. 50 schools collectively offered to the state government to provide place and the canvas for 1,510 to be fixed by the government and decided to share the whole expenditure equally. How many schools are there? Namida, question you can read. Every time your name is coming, Namida. So, how much amount came? That equally divided by how many schools? 50 schools. The lower part of the tent is cylindrical base radius, height 3.5, conical upper part same as radius 2.1. You read the question carefully. Canvas used to make 120 per, find the amount. Similar question only changed what? What is changed? You read height 2.1 only. But the lower part, each cylindrical base radius 2.8 meter. Draw the diagram. Base radius is given. 2.8 meter. Height 3.5 meter. Conical part height is given, not this one. Height is given 2.1 meter. 2.1 meter height is given. So L we have to find it. Draw the diagram. After that I'll tell you. Draw the diagram. Radius is same only both the case. This I'm using capital L. This question little complication is there because slant is not given. We have to formula same only. Similar question previously asked. Question number first one. Pythagoras we want to apply. Before that, cylinder radius is given 2.8 meter. Height is given 3.5 meter. This you can write 28 by 10. And this you can write 35 by 10. So we can write one by one differently, then otherwise confusion will occur. Next to cone. Radius is same only, so no need to change it. 2.8 meter. That you can write 28 by 10. But height is different, so use capital H. Height is different, use capital H. Capital H is what? 2.1 meter. That is 21 by 10. By Pythagoras theorem, L square equal to H square plus, here we use a small r, so small r square you have to use. Don't get confused because radius is same only. That's why I used like this. L square equal to 2.1 square plus 2.8 square Don't get confused the height of the cone and cylinder. This is what 4.41, 7.84. L equal to root of, add it. Add it. L equal to root of how much? 12.25. Am I right? So that is 3.5. How to find square root quickly? I told you. L we got 3.5. That at least that first October plan make it thorough. You minimum you will get the 50 mark. I'm giving the guarantee. That's why I told you today's the toughest exam Birla is conducting 12th standard. These people managed it. Those who utilized it. Those who didn't utilize, nothing can be done. Because 45 mark weightage means something from your side also, if it is coming easily, you can score 50 plus. First pre-board, if you are scoring 50 plus means it is more than 60%. Think about it. The students, what they told, that only, okay, area of the canvas required for the tent. Area of the canvas required for the tent. Same formula use. Area of the canvas required for the tent. 2 pi RH plus pi r capital L. Don't get confused. Radius is same only, 28 by 10. Already we wrote that one. H equal to 35 by 10 because it is what? Cylinder. And capital L equal to, that's also what? 35 by 10. Everything we found. What is common? Pi r, I took it outside. 2H plus L, you substitute. 22 by 7 into, radius is 28 by 10. 2 into 35 by 10. 35 by 10. I request 10 don't cut because division will be easy. At the end we can think about. This is 4. 88 by 10. 2 into 35, 70. 105 by 10. Denominators are same. Now if you want you can cancel because some possibilities are there. This and this you can cancel by 5 2 times. This is 21 times. And this and this you can cancel 44. So what you got? 44 into 21 by 10. Check it. 44 into 21 by 10. That's area. Those who got the message, answer sheet, mark, they can collect their paper. Others will update tomorrow, day after tomorrow, like that. 924 you got? 924 by 10, no? Okay. That's equal to 924 by 10 meters square. I didn't simplify because some reason is there, I'll tell you. If you want, you can write 92.4, no problem. But how much rupees per square meter? 120. The cost of the canvas, cost of the canvas, cost of the canvas, cost of the canvas at the rate of, cost of the canvas at the rate of, cost of the canvas at the rate of rupees 120 per meter square is equal to 924 by 10 into 120. 0, 0 cancelled. 12 into this much rupees. 12 into 924. Square meter means meter square, no? One one 11088 rupees. Now, this is the cost of the 110. This is the cost of the how many tender? 110. How many tender required? 1500 tender required. It's not on my face, it is there in the worksheet. 1500 tender required. How many school have to share it? 50. So 1500 by 50, one school, how much will be the burden? Therefore, the amount shared by each school, the amount shared by each school, the amount shared by each school for 1500 tens, amount shared by each school for 1500 tens, amount shared by each school for 1500 tens. Tell me, 1500 into, what is the cost of 110? This much divided by 50, because 1500 tend, 110 cost this one, this we have to multiply this one. What we can do here quickly? Tell me. 50 and this we can cancel. How much? 30. That much rupees will be there. Because that you rupees. How much? This one. 332640. This much rupees each school have to take. Case study chances there. Be careful. This is the another question. A small break. 5 minutes. Don't go downstairs. Just have a look at the worksheet. Those who want to pray, go and come back quickly. Don't talk. Question number 10th one. Read it. The circumference of the base of a conical tent is given 44 meter. A. Question number 10th one. The circumference of the base of a conical tent. The conical tent circumference is what? Circle. Is it? What is circle circumference? 2 pi r. Right on. Given that 2 pi r equal to 44. Question number 10th one. 2 pi r equal to 44. All of you simplify and find radius. Please find the radius. 2 into 22 by 7, 44. Question little complication is there here. I'll tell you about it. 2 into 22 how much? 44 and 44 directly cancel. R equal to how much? 7 meter. Given that height equal to 24 centimeter, 24 meter only. 1 minute. Meter, mistake only meter. 24 meter. It is a cone only. It is a cone only. I'll explain everything in detail. We know that L square equal to X square plus R square. Question little complication is there. L square equal to H square plus R square. L square equal to 24 square plus 7 square. 576 plus 49. L equal to root of 625. That is what? 25 is the square root. Please write up to you. Now I want to ask some general question. I want to ask some general question. Anybody stitched any dress? Nobody stitched. If you want to stitch the shirt is shape what? Shirt shape only. Am I right? But the cloth shape is what? The one which one you are going to purchase from the shop. It is a rectangular shape. Am I right or not? Did you see that rolled one will be there? Is it? So even churidar or anything if you are stitching, normally it is coming what rolled type only. Is it rolled type? From there we are cutting what we need, then we are making our shape. Wastage will be there. What they are saying, we want to make a what? A conical tent. Listen carefully. Conical tent. Read the question. If the height of the, find the length of the canvas used in making the tent, if the width of the canvas, tent means what? Base will not consider. Am I right or not? Listen. The tent we want to make, conical tent, base will not consider. I told you tent means only the topper portion. Make this tent. Amada, to make this tent, they want to purchase what? Some cloth or canvas they want to purchase. This canvas having uniform width, how much? 2 meter. Uniform width is the 2 meter. Even if you are purchasing the cloth also, that roll will be what? Uniform width only. Am I right or not? Only length will change. Am I right? If you need accordingly 2 meter, 3 meter, like the length is changing because that roll. Did you see that roller? Azanda, did you see that roller? Did you see? First you go to the shop. Today itself you go to the shop. Where you staying? Here only, no? Or you can see some shops. This will be the which one? The mat will be there, no? Mat. A mat will be there. The mat which one we are keeping on the table or floor. That also is coming rolled one. Is it? Width will be same. Only length will be. And the mat of this one mat, what? Grass mat will be there. Carpet type. That is also everything is coming rolled. Width will be same. Length will be different. So what we can say? This is the uniform width. They're asking how much length is required. Length I called this one. So this curved surface area is same as this one. Am I right or not? Because wastage will be there, we don't need to consider that one. Is it? Because this only by cutting and arranging we are making the conical tent. So what we can say, CSA of the conical tent equal to what? Area of the canvas used. Am I right or not? Both will be same. So length we taken L and breadth already given is what? 2. Is it? Okay. Right on. CSA of the conical tent equal to who asked which question? CSA of the conical tent equal to area of the canvas. CSA of the conical tent equal to area of the canvas of width 2 meter. Area of the canvas of width 2 meter. This you can use capital letter L. Area of the canvas of width 2 meter. Area of the canvas of width 2 meter. Now tell me what is CSA of the tent? Pi RL. Pi RL equal to length into 2 because it is a rectangular sheet. So length into breadth. Everything you know substitute. Pi 22 by 7. What is the radius? 7. What is slant height L? 25 equal to L into 2. Clear or not? Tent when they are same, base you no need to consider. Practically think about only the curved surface area only we have to think about. Simplify, you will get the length how much is required. Similar question previously asked. Many people made a mistake this one. Question somewhere it is there. Let me see. You can cut this and this. One more cancellation you can do. What is that? 2 and 22. 11 will be there. So how much meter? 11 into 25. How much? 275 meter is the length of the canvas. 275 meter is the length of the canvas. 275 meter is the length of the canvas. 275 meter is a length. Length we won't tell in meter square. 275 meter is the length of the canvas. Next question number 12th one. No need to wait for me. Question number 12th one. Question number 12th one. Question number 12th one. Circus tent is in the shape of cylinder surmounted by a conical top. Like that only. So, circus 10, we done many questions. This is a shape again. See, 3 places asked, that's why. Common diameter 56 meter. Diameter is given, don't get confused. 56 meter. Height of the cylindrical part is given 6 meter. Total height of the tent is given 27 meter. Total height is given 27 meter. Find the area of the canvas used for the tent. Different questions are coming. Area of the canvas used for the tent. First we can think about cylinder. Everything we can separately find, after that we can, okay? Cylinder. I'm using cylinder capital letter. Radius is what? 56 by 2, 28 meter. Height is what? 6 meter. Cylinder that much only. No need to bother about the remaining things. Cylinder not slant height. Slant height means there should be a slant. Slope should be there. Next, cone. Cone radius capital R only we can use, because I told you the same only. If you want small R also you can call, no problem. Height of the cone 27 minus 6, how much? 21 meter. Am I right? 21 meter will come. Why 21 meters coming? Total height is this one, so 21. So we know that. What do you know? Tell me. L square equal to, whenever area coming in the case of cone, whenever area coming, area related question, whenever in the cone, L is compulsory. L is compulsory. Volume no need, but area compulsory. So L square equal to H square plus R square. H 21 square, 28 square, 441 plus, what's 28 square? 784. We done today itself. Is it how much? 1225. So what is L? L equal to, sorry, L equal to 35. I told you some shortcut for this one. 25 square root of 5 at 12, 3 into 4. So we got that also. Now try. Area of the canvas required. Same formula only. All of you try. Same formula. Area of the canvas required. 2 pi RH plus pi RL. There is level 2 also will be there. That most probably after your exam only. Pre-board. Saturday, if anybody want to practice, can come. Birla finished the school portion? Finished it. I don't know. Okay. So, if anybody want to practice Saturday by informing, I'll sit with you, especially those who are weak. You can come for additional practice. Regular class won't be there, but you are most welcome for practicing. Area of the canvas required equal to 2 pi RH. I used a capital letter. Pi RL because radius is same only. So I took a pi R outside. 2H plus L. 22 by 7 into 28 into 2 into H. Capital H is 6. Letter don't get confused. Be careful about that. Small L how much? 35. This cancelled 4. 88 into 12 plus 35. 88 into 47. 4136 is saying 4136 meters square. They are not asking any cost or something, only they are asking area. 4136 meters square. I'm clearing the second page initially. We done 10th question. Now 11th question. 11th question. 11th question. Read it. The circumference of a cone is given. They are asking volume. What is circumference of the cone? 2 pi r. Question number 11th one. 2 pi r equal to 9. We want to finish this one today. Sorry, the circumference of a base of a 9-meter high wooden sword. Yes. 2 pi r equal to 44. Complete the question you read. 2 pi r equal to 44. 2 pi r equal to 44. Solve it. Read the question completely. Circumference of the base of a 9-meter high wooden solid cone is 44 meter. 2 pi r equal to 44. Already we solved it previously, or you'll get it. Solve it quickly. And h equal to 9. And h equal to 9. They're asking volume. Direct question only. What is the volume of the cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. What is the radius you got? Everyone got radius? 7. We already done in the previous question. I'm not repeating. Therefore, volume 1 by 3 pi r square h. Simplify. 22 by 7. 7 into 7 into 9. Cancellation. 3. 22 into 21 will come. That will be your answer. 462. 462 centimeter cube. 462 centimeter cube. 462 centimeter cube is the volume. That's why 462 centimeter cube. Next question, 13th one. There is a last something is missing that you cut. How much you cut? Question number 13th one. Time is 5:30. By 5:45, this page, 5:45, 6 o'clock, this page we have to clear. Question number 13th one. Question number 13th one. Direct question only. Please do quickly. No need to wait for me. 13th one. Given that diameter equal to 9 meter, therefore radius equal to 9 by 2 meter. Height equal to 3.5 meter equal to 7 by 2 meter. No need to find the L because they are asking what the volume. There is something is there, most probably how much canvas required to cover the heap. Like that the question I think. How much we need to cover the heap. 1 minute. That anyway I'll update you. Okay, volume of the heap equal to 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 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into. I already told you to do. Some people done, I think. Here one answer is given. It's a volume, yeah, habibi. Into h. H is what? 9 by, sorry, that is I made a mistake. Your radius is what? 9 by 2, no? 9 by 2 into 9 by 2 into 7 by 2. Now cancellation. This and this cancel 11. This and this cancelled. This and this cancelled 3. That much only you can cancel. 11 into 3 into 9 by 8. How much 11 into 3 into 9? Sorry, 4. How much 11 into 3 into 9? 2. 97 by 4 meter cube. So okay, fine. Even if you are not finding, how much you got decimal? 74.25 meter cube is the volume. So we done 13th question also. 13th question. Now 14th question after this. A rocket is in the form of a cylinder crossed at the lower end with a cone, lower end with a cone of same radius attached to the top. A. All of you finish this? Have you not finished? Question number 14th one. There is a rocket. One end cone, bottom is closed. Bottom is closed. The next question number 14th one. Cylinder is of radius 2.5 meter. Radius is given 2.5 meter. Of course, this everything will be 2.5 only because it's attached to the same radius only. Height of the cylinder is given 21 meter. 21 meter. Cone having slant height 8 meter. So advantage is the slant height already given. We no need to take height, no need for the area. They are asking area. Total surface area of the rocket they are asking. Total surface area of the rocket that they are asking. No. Total surface area. So what we have to consider initially? We have to consider this base, we have to consider curved surface area of the cylinder we have to consider, and curved surface area of the what also we have to consider, cone also. But TSA of the rocket, TSA of the rocket, TSA of the rocket equal to pi r square, capital letter I use 2 pi RH plus pi r small l. Pi r small l, cone is I used, radius is same everywhere. That's why radius throughout I used what r. What is radius? Tell me, what is radius? 2.5 meter means how much? 5 by 2 meter. Height of the conical part 21 meter. Slant height is what? 8 meter. Initially take a common term out. What is common? Height of the cylinder only. Pi r, I took it outside. R plus 2h plus L. Substitute everything. 22 by 7. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 plus 2 into 21 plus 8. Pi any restriction is there? It's get cancelled, don't worry. Cancellation. This and this. 11. 55 by 7. How much we have to multiply here up and down? 2. Why we are multiply up and down 2? We are making denominators are same. 5 plus 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 21, 84 plus 16. Is it? LCM I took. LCM is 2 I multiplied up and down. LCM I took. So it will be 55 by 7 into, tell me how much 84, 16? 105 by 2. 105 and 7 you can cancel. 105 and 7 you can cancel. Please check it. 15 times. 15 times. Your cancellation, how much? 35. What is 55 into 35? Sorry, this is 15. Sorry, not 35. It is 15. What is 55 into 15? 825 by 2. How much? 412.5 meters square. It's area, so meters square. I hope everyone understood it. Next one, more than 45 questions were there. Many questions are removed that will add in the second stage. Next, we are doing 15th one. 15th one. We need a paper. 15th one. 15th one. A solid hemispherical at the bottom and a conical above. Surface area of the two parts are equal. Then find the ratio of the radius and the height of the conical part. A. Question you read. Now, a solid, all of you, excuse me. This is the solid. Now, this is the solid. A hemisphere conical on the top. Surface area are equal means A. Surface area may anyway inside thing you can't take. You have to take only what curved surface area. This curved surface area same as what this curved surface area. What they given. Read the question. Solid hemispherical, solid only. So inside part you don't need to check because it's an object like this only. So surface area of the two parts are equal. Then find the ratio of radius and to the height. They are asking R is to H. They are asking R is to H. This is the radius and this is the height and this is the L. Write it. Draw the diagram. After that, I'll tell you. Here, surface area means surface area. The two part means bottom you take and top you take. Inside part you no need to take. Right? Given that CSA of cone equal to CSA of hemisphere. 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 But what is CSA of cone? CSA of cone. Pi r. CSA of hemisphere. 2 pi r square. Hemisphere CSA 2 pi r square. TSA 3 pi r square. What we can cancel? Pi and pi cancel. 1 r also we can cancel. L equal to what you got? 2r. But the question is not this. Question is what r is to h is the question. We know that. One relationship you know. What is that? L square equal to? Substitute in that one. We know that. L square equal to h square plus r square. Similar one question we done in the class, is it? L square equal to h square plus r square. What is L? 2r square equal to h square plus r square. Simplify, you want to get r is to h. Radius should be first. 4r square minus r square equal to h square. Am I right? That r square is transposed. 3r square equal to what? H square. Am I right? R square by h square equal to 1 by 3. If anybody have told, let me know. R square by h square. H square, I bring it down. 3 move down. 1 by 3. So what is r by h? Tell me. R by h equal to 1 by root 3. This is the answer. R by h equal to 1 by root 3. Record ratio 1 is 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 root 3. Next question. Record ratio 1 is root 3. Question number 16th one. Question number 16th one. Read it. Area of the base of cone. What is the area base? Pi r square. Cone base area is what? Pi r square. Question number 16th one. Given that pi r square equal to 770. Question number 16th one, centimeter square, and given that CSA 814. CSA equal to 814 centimeter square. They are asking volume. And what is CSA formula? Pi Rn 814. Please solve the left side part, you will get radius. Please solve the left side part, you will get the radius. Please solve quickly. Left side part, you will get radius. Substitute in the second one, you will get the L. Then you have to find the H by using Pythagoras theorem. All of you got the worksheet, no? 30 copy late took. 29 people are here. Correct 29, no? Anybody got radius? R square equal to 770 into 7 by 22. Start cancellation. 22 we can cut by 11. How many 11? 2. Here 7. Is it? Correct, you know? Yeah. So R square equal to 70 is there. Okay, 1 minute. It's correct, you know? So this we can cut 35. R square equal to 35 into 7. I request everyone, don't write. R equal to root of, what does 35 means? 5 into 7 into 7. What is R? 7 root 5 is the radius. 7 root 5 is the radius. Check it. 7 root 5 is the radius. 35 I wrote is 7 into 5. 35 I wrote is, correct, you know, calculation. 35 I wrote is 7 into 5. I will find a square root. A number should be repeated how many times? Twice. So once 7 came out, so R equal to 7, 5. Is it? 7 root 5. Substitute you. Substitute you. This you can mark equation number 1. From 1, 22 by 7 into 7 root 5 L equal to 814. You can cancel 7 and 7. L equal to 814 by 22 root 5. Any number mistake or not, we have to check it. Otherwise, we have to proceed with this. 8, 14 and 22 cancel. Typing mistake chances there. Proofreading didn't take. Let's see. 37 by root 5 is coming. 37 by root 5. Next line. No need to rationalize, let it be the. We know that L square equal to H square plus R square. We know that L square equal to H square plus R square. L square means this you have to square. Square. H square plus 7 root 5 square. One 1369 by 5. H square plus 49 into 5. Calculation are helping now. 1369 by 5 minus 245 equal to h square. I transposed it. 1225. When you're taking LCM, 1369 minus 1225 by 5 equal to h square. H equal to root of 144 by 5. So h value 12 by root 5. Many calculations are there. H value 12 by root 5. Check it. H value 12 by root 5. If anybody have any step doubt is there, you can ask me. But observe, you can take your own time, no problem. 37 square is 1369 to get the h only. So I don't think mistake is the same thing only. Root 5 will be the. Anybody have any calculation doubt, let me know. The question is what volume is asking. Question is volume is asking. Question is volume is asking. Pardon? A. Therefore, excuse me. Therefore, volume of the cone. Therefore, volume of the cone. And our cone volume is what is the formula? 1 by 3? 1 by 3 pi r square. Substitute 1 by 3 into 22 by 7. Radius 7 root 5. 7 root 5 into 7 root 5. Height is what? 12 by root 5. 12 by root 5. This 7 and this 7 cancel. 1 root 5 also cancelled. This also cancelled. Balance 22 into root 5 into 7 into 4. So 22 into 28 root to 5. 28 and 22 you multiply, then that will be your answer along with root 5. Root 5 value, no need to do anything. That much is centimeter cube. 616. Calculation I help in this case. Root to 5 centimeter cube is the answer. Check everything. A lot of calculations are there. It is by mistakenly came in this module. Actually, it should have in this level 2. But anyway, at least some questions let it be though. 616 root 5 centimeter cube. Anybody have any calculation doubt? Let me know. You have to practice. It's a good question actually. Many calculations are there. That's why I am telling. After this, 17th one. 17th one. 17th one. What is given? Write it. Given their CSA equal to 264 meters square. It is a 9th standard question. CSA equal to 264 meters square. Volume equal to 924 meters square, meter cube. It is a cylinder. Tell me, what is CSA? What is CSA? 2 pi r cylinder. Now, what is volume? Pi r square h. 924. All of you listen. 9th standard also you might have done this one. Can anyone tell what to do? You cannot substitute, you don't have any value. Subtract. Not subtract. Who told you word? Huh? That's the procedure. You divide second equation by first equation. You divide second equation by first equation, you will get something. Pi r square h divided by 2 pi r h. 924 also you divide by this one. 5 pi cancelled. H cancelled. 1 R also cancelled. You will get R by 2 equal to 924 and 6. 264, no? 924 and this one you get 7 by 2 will be though. 7 by 2. When you're reducing, 7 by 2 will be though. R equal to how much? 7. R equal to 7 centimeter. From 1, you will get, what is the question? Find the ratio height to its diameter. Please substitute in equation 1, you will get H. From 1. From 1, you will get H. I'm waiting for you from 1. From 1. From 1. 2 into 22 by 7. Anybody got? 6. H equal to 264 by 44. People are telling 6. Make sure everyone. Correct only everyone? What is the question? Height. What is the other unit? Everything meter. Everything meter. Now, what's the question? Height is to diameter. Therefore, H is to D equal to, what is height? 6. What is diameter? 14. Implies how much? 3 is to 7. 3 is to 7. Diameter means double of the radius. H is to diameter is asking. H is to diameter, so 3 is to 7. 6 is to 14. 3 is to 7 is the required ratio. Next question. Now here one question. The first page you have to clear your doubts. That's better because Gulam Jamun question we done. Rachel question we done. Rachel made this one. And here the problem will be most probably third question that I will discuss. Third question is the combination of the surface area volume, circles and triangles. 3 chapters similarity together. Third question. I'm doing third question now. Please complete this one. Complete this, Salil. Third question is the combination of 3 chapters, surface area volume, triangles, similarity of triangles, and tangent. This 3. Diagram is very important. So diagram don't draw, just wait. Diagram is very important. Diagram is very important. Third question. A. Diagram is very important. All of you try to understand how I am drawing. Please. There is a sphere. Don't draw. First, initially try to understand. It is to touch. After my drawing, you can. See, diagram is coming like this, just on the top. When you are dipping this one, the top of the surface, top of this sphere should be just on the top of the water level. That means if you are keeping that one, this sphere, it should be, when we are touching like this, our hand should touch like that only. It is coming. And see, draw the diagram. And this one, diagram is very important. and here it should touch like that. Only you have to draw. It should touch. Draw the diagram. The top should touch, and here it is AB, and here don't talk. There is a perpendicular. This is called O dash, and here O, and this also perpendicular, radius and tangent. Perpendicular, and this they called OR. Radius is given 6 centimeter. Only check what I drew here. Radius is 6 centimeter. Height is given 8 centimeter. Height is given 8 centimeter. Here one letter is used V. Okay, this much is enough. Question you read. A sphere lowered into the water and is size such that when it touches the side, just immersed. Just immersed means top level. What fraction of water overflows? That's what they're asking. What fraction of water overflows? Fraction of water overflows. Now, you got out of 45, 36 mark. Hey, how will find the fraction? Fraction of your mark. This is how teachers are writing in your answer sheet. This is the fraction of your mark. How much you got by total? Here they are asking what the fraction of water overflows means volume of sphere by volume of cone. Because the total water is what cone volume. Is it? That's the total. How much water flows out because of the sphere? So volume of the sphere by volume of the cone. That is a water what fraction of the water overflows. Like that only we people are finding. Draw the diagram. After that, will tell you. Hey, now listen. Excuse me. Listen. This letter I'm changing. C. In triangle CO dash B, in triangle CO dash B, all of you saw the triangle CO dash B. By Pythagoras theorem, now this is the triangle what I took. By Pythagoras theorem, CB square equal to 6 square plus 8 square, 100. So CB equal to how much? 10 centimeter. Or if you want, you can use Pythagorean triplet also. This is 10 centimeter. That's a slant height. Check everyone. Question little difficulty and a chance for case study because many sub questions are there. CB equal to 10 centimeter. By AA similarity, will explain, you write it. By AA similarity, triangle CQO, by AA similarity, triangle CQO similar, triangle CO dash B. Check the diagram. Why AA similarity I took? A. All of you. This is what the CQO. So what are you doing there? This is what CQO. And this is what CO dash B. why AA similarity? This angle is common in both. Am I right or not? This angle is common in both. Which triangle? CQO as well as CO. And what about this angle? 90. Why? This is the radius and tangent. This is 90. What about this? 90. That's why I took which similarity? AA similarity. You don't need to show that one. Just to try to understand. This triangle is what? Similar to what this triangle. Okay, right on. Therefore, by CPST. Therefore, by CPST. What is the first two letter? CQ correspond to CO dash. CO correspond to CB. QO correspond to O dash B. Whatever things you know, that you substitute. No need to substitute which one you don't know. What is CQ? You don't know. Leave it. What is CO dash? 6. What is CO? CO can I write 8 minus R? Check the diagram. CO can I write 8 minus R? Now why I wrote CO 8 minus R? CO dash is there. CO dash, sorry. CO dash 8, sorry. Anyway, we are not using. Okay. Listen. What is this? What is this? Radius. What is this? What is this? What is this? This is radius. Total length how much? 8. So if this is R, what about this one? 8 minus R. That's why I wrote the CO 8 minus R. Because this is the radius and total length we have 8 centimeter. Total length we have 8 centimeter. This is what R. So this will be what? 8 minus R. Please. What is CB? CB 10. What is QO? R. What is O dash B? 6. Forget about this one. Take only this one. Simplify. You'll get radius. This much be done only to get radius. Radius of this sphere. Solve only that too. Radius you'll get. First part we no need. You have to write your own comments and all questions. Chances there to ask. So far they asked the case study only. But chances there. This and this cancelled directly. How many? 5, 3. Cross multiplication. 3 into 8 minus R equal to 5R. 24 minus 3R equal to 5R. 24 equal to what? 8R. R equal to how much? 3. Try to understand. This all steps we done only to get the radius of this sphere. Only to get the radius of this sphere. No. One theorem I asked in last exam. Prove that tangents from the external point of circle. From where you can write a essay. It's a RHS congruence rule. Many people didn't write the rule also. RHS is the rule. Many people didn't write the rule also. Some people use the SSS. How you can use this? You already want to prove these two tangents are equal. Then you are writing this equal to this. And finally, by CPCT, you are writing. Okay. What's the question? Required fraction equal to. Required fraction equal to. Required fraction equal to. Required fraction equal to. Volume of the sphere by volume of cone. Because total is volume of the cone, that much water. From there, sphere volume is passing out, flows out. Volume of the sphere by volume of the cone. Volume of the sphere by volume of the cone. Required fraction equal to volume of the sphere by volume of the cone. But what is volume of sphere? Volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. Cone 1 by 3. Capital letter you have to use, otherwise get confused. First sphere radius is what? 3 centimeter. And cone, this is sphere. Cone radius how much? 6 centimeter. Height is given 8 centimeter. What you can cancel directly? Pi by 3 you can cancel. Am I right? Now substitute remaining. 4 into 3 cube. 6 square into 8. Anybody got answer? 3 by 8, something like that? 8 and 4, 2. 27 by 36 into 2. Actually, you can write 3 into 3 into 3 like that. You can write it. We can cut by 9. 3 nines are 27. 4 nines are 36. What is the answer? 3 by 8 is the answer. Calculation, you can write 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3. 6 square, 6 into 6. Like that you can write. I hope everyone understood this question. Now I'm just opening in front of you. Any question if I want to discuss, you can. I already given the time also during break time. Please ask me. Any question, doubt is there, tell me. That will do. Another question, you know. Another was 18th one. 18th one. This question don't for practice today itself. Question number 18th one. Again I repeat. Don't wait for your board exam. First pre-board itself, try to score at least 60%. 60% means 48 mark minimum. But some school already given the criteria 70%. If everybody getting 70%, if you are getting 60%, they won't accommodate. The stream selection is very important. Recently, I added this one ad I given in the group. Profasi welfare they are conducting, but under real registration fees is there, and it is multiple intelligence test. Before selecting any stream, first you have to identify. Many people don't know what is their weak area, what is their strong area. My friend is going there, or she is going there, so I am also going there. Not like that. Identify your strong area and your weak area. Then based on that one, this is their taking under the today put the status in Malayalam only I got it because I don't know who's conducting Profasi welfare. I think it's a political party, cultural forum. I think they are conducting that one, not a political party. Here they created one group or something. Some people, those who want to join like that. All the religion and all the politicians also is there. That you don't bother about. You just and here the these people ICBF also giving free of cost. They are giving this one with the detailed information and all. What about one student? Suppose Jude is done. Jude is very intelligent student. Is very one result like that. I got that one girl 10th 12th standard. When I forwarded free of cost, they done that. But the test, even if they are conducting Mallus or that, you don't bother about it. You just think about what you can. See, with the graph, with the proper graph and all they give. See, their area, this girl is 99% in numerical ability, verbal reasoning 65%, language spelling 95%, mechanical reasoning, then clearly they told Nazia is a very talented student with high scholarship skill other than. Then they suggested, recommended BTech, BECS, IT from IITs, NITs, this one. She's a very good student. So your case also, they will direct you. Sometimes they will tell, this particular student is very weak in maths, so better no need to go for that one. They will suffer. So you take this stream with this and this. Like that they will suggest. So that suggestion is very important. Even if you are going for without math also, science stream also they will suggest it. Biology without math also sometimes you can't manage because people are suffering a lot without math in physics and all. A lot, not only little, very, very much. Then the reason they are telling we are not a math students when they are making student mistake. If you want to become doctor, of course you have to learn physics. Question number 18th one. There is a cylinder and a cone. A. Read the question. There is a cylinder and a cone. Now, in 9th standard, I don't know whether you remember, cylinder, cone and hemisphere came. 3 shape came. Here also chances there. The radius of circular basis of right circular cylinder, radius ratio they given, are equal to, this is cylinder, cone. Radius of first one is 3x, like that you make it. Here the radius is what, 4x. Why I wrote like this? Because they are telling radius in the ratio 3:4. That's why I wrote First radius 3x, second radius 4x. Next, height is given. Height to what ratio? Height equal to 2y. Don't take x. Different ratio, different value you have to take. And here the height is what? 3y. So if you want, you can make this is capital letter. This you make capital H. It's better. They're asking which one is coming first. That's very important. Which one came first? Cylinder. Right on. Record ratio equal to. Record ratio equal to. Record ratio equal to. Volume of cylinder by volume of cone. Try. Record ratio equal to. Volume of cylinder by volume of cone. Record ratio equal to. Volume of cylinder by volume of cone. Record ratio equal to volume of cylinder by volume of cone. Now, what is volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Cancel pi and pi. What about this 3? This will move up. Is it reciprocal? What is r? 3x into 3x. Height is what? 2y. Now cone 4x into 4x. Height is what? 3y into 3y. Sorry, only 3y. Now start cancellation. xy throughout you can cancel. 1 3 also you can cancel. Is it? What is balance? 3 3s are 9 by 16 is the record ratio. By mistakenly don't write a 3 by 4. 9 by 16. Now first page, any doubt is there? Tell me. Any question you can ask me. Where is 2? 2 is there. There is 2 is there, no? Then one more cancellation we can make. So this cancel how much? 8, no? So 9 by 8 is a ratio. Ratio means it's a numerical value. There won't be any unit. 9 by 8. So 9 is to 8. First page, any doubts? If it is there, tell me. I think first page almost everything is there in the notebook. Gulam Jamun we done. Rachel we done. And Mayang bird bath I told you, textbook example question. Last year asked board exam. Any other question is there? Please tell me quickly. If anybody have doubt, ask me. If any doubt is there, ask me. If you have any doubt, when you are writing the exam, don't make. Next exam will come. I'll update you. The remaining topic. I'll tell this all chapters. Once the revision is over, only will make it. Tell me, any other doubts? Anybody have first page doubt, ask me. Any question doubt is there, ask me. Anybody have doubts? First page. Nobody have doubts? Gulam Jamun question. Read. Gulam Jamun question. Question number 9th one. Gulam Jamun question. During revision time, anything will do. But after that, don't tell me. Sir, I don't know how to do like that or not. A Gulam Jamun contains sugar syrup and Gulam Jamun shape is given. There is a cylinder with the hemispherical end on both sides. A. Draw the diagram. Total length is given 5 centimeter. Total length is given 5 centimeter. And the diameter is given 2.8. The diameter 2.8 means radius how much? This is the radius. This is also radius. So height of the cylinder I told you 5 minus 1.4 we have to remove from both sides. So it will be 2.2. Everybody remember, I think. I told you repeatedly. This one is what? Radius. Half of the diameter. This is also radius. Total 5. So this and this, when you remove, will get this height, cylindrical height. Please draw this much. After that, I'll tell you. Question, anybody remember how we done? How? We didn't do like that. We didn't do like that. How we done? Huh? We done all together everything. Volume of the sugar syrup 30, then calculation will be easy. I told you that one. Ready? They are asking volume of the sugar syrup in how many gulab jamun? 45. Volume of sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamun equal to volume of sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamun equal to volume of sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamun equal to. How much percentage sugar syrup? 30%. So we have to write 30 by 100 into how many gulab jamun? 45. Initially we have, because calculation many, it will be easy if you are proceeding. After that, the bracket. Gulab jamun contain one cylinder and two hemisphere. What is cylinder volume? Pi r square h. 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. He is thinking he knows everything. Because 2 hemisphere, that's why 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. What is common? Pi r square, you can take it out. 45. Pi r square, I took it outside. H plus 4 by 3 r. Now you mark radius 2 by 2 by 2, 1.4 equal to 14 by 10 centimeter. Height equal to 5 minus 1.4, 1.4, 2.2, 22 by 10 centimeter. If you are writing together, it will be easy calculation part. Still cancellation is there, but 10 normally I never cancel. At the end only will think about that cancellation. Now, but morning those who wrote the exam, everyone got the paper, I think. Morning those who wrote. Now, substitution. 3 by 10 into 22 by 7 into radius 14 by 10 into 14 by 10 h plus 22 by 10 plus 4 by 3 into 14 by 10. Your cancellation should be smartly out to work, otherwise it will be a problem. 7 and 14 cancel 2. Here one cancellation I am cancelling because it's possible. 9, here 2, and this 2 and this 2 I cancel. Balance I am writing 3 into 9 into 22 into 14 by 100. Here I am taking LCM. 3 I multiplied up and down. 66 plus 56 by 30. Check it. Tell me. I cancelled by 5, you know. 9 5s are 45. Namida. And here also 5, so it will be like this. Next to my cancellation, 3 and this one, 10. It's a multiplication, so we can do it. But if you are doing separately, it will be too much calculation will come. Balance. Tell me balance. 9 into 22 into 14 divided by 100 into what? 60 plus 66 plus 56. Are you sure? Yeah. 122 by what? 10. Now this you have to multiply. 3000. Sorry, not 3000. You checked your notebook or multiplied it? Today multiplied? That is reflecting in the paper, previous exam and all. This exam I didn't check it. Let me see. How much is coming? Now multiply. Everyone multiply. Usab, I'm waiting for your answer. Don't touch your mobile.